Then I'll go up.
You just want to be on video. Oh look, I'm helping.
Well, as soon as I take out that bolt, I'm guessing it's gonna fall. Wait, I think it's actually really good because you can put it on the whole car. It's called Permadone. Then it's like a mix with water and you spray it on right off.
No, like that's kind of fucking stupid. Like we're gonna be done this shit in like an hour.
It'd be sick. So like if it's your girlfriend and then some other shit.
I'm too shaky for these shots.
You're good on this side. Oh, are you trying to get on the second though?
Alright.
Oh, I guess because it's on an angle.
Alright.
That's crazy fitness, man.
That's how it should be.
Fitness, man.
That's how it should be.
Alright, so it's the next day from doing the downpipe.
Yeah.
And we're back now. Got the air compressor out. We're prepping my car for paint.
On the street shop.
On the street, out in the studio.
In the motherfucking stew.
I don't know how much of this you can see because it's really bright.
Oh, it's so bright, dude.
But most of the body is already prepped. We still have to do the roof. Weld up these holes.
Did you explain that you're even painting it?
We talked about it.
Well, anyway, Noah's painting his car, getting it painted because we don't trust the process, bro, you know?
Yeah, I painted my other Sylvia fenders in the hood and it turned out horrible. So
Indeed. It was fucking terrible.
Our buddy friend guy,
Jordan,
dude, he's gonna paint it for us. For me, I should
he is the paint man.
say. He is.
Jordan is the man.
Really is.
You can take that one in the bank.
Yeah. So we gotta finish prepping the hood. It was super textured because when I painted this, I didn't mix the primer properly and it just laid really bad.
Noah did. He just...
What is that?
I don't know. But, what's it called? I'm supposed to mix the primer. Like with paint thinner or something?
Reducer, yeah.
Reducer.
I just put primer and hardener and then
Noah, yeah.
Didn't read the tech sheet, so it's my fault. But anyways, we're probably just gonna time lapse this. It's gonna be pretty boring to film.
It's boring to do, so it must be boring to watch, you know?
So we'll probably film this for a little bit, and then there's that thing over there we're gonna film video on. So.
Fuck, man. This shit fucking sucks.
Almost done. Not really, but
Every time I think we're almost done, I remember there's like other shit we gotta do.
Oh, goodness gracious, man.
Comment below what color you think I'm painting my car. You'll never guess.
You'll never guess.
Took the B-Wave off. Sold it to Ben. Bought a roof wing. Looks better.
Ski jump delete.